Let me show you how to create a classic 7-day sprint manicure in just a few easy steps using the green system from Manucurist. Today I'm going to choose one of their new green nail polish shades from the Playback collection. This collection is inspired by the groove of the 70s, the pop of the 80s, and the vibrant energy of the 90s, with 3 new shades designed for bold, retro-inspired manicures. Tangerine is a vibrant neon light orange, full of 90s energy. Nebula is a milky white with holographic reflections. Spicy is a pop red with pink undertones. They are all beautiful, but for today I'm going to choose Tangerine. Before starting the green system application, I'll remove one of my favorite nail treatments, which is Active Smooth 01. To remove it, I'm using the nail polish remover that helps moisturize and nourish the nails at the same time. Next I use a nail file to even out the edges. As you can see here, on my other hand I had one nail that was shorter. I really don't like when that happened before doing a new manicure, because even if the rest of the nails are longer, I still have to shorten them so everything looks neat and even. Now for the first step in this green system manicure, we need to degrease the nails. I'm using a cotton pad with nail prep, which removes any traces of cream, oil or impurities from the nail surface. This step is important because it helps the manicure last longer. The next step is to apply the base coat. Here I'm using Base Fortifiant, a strengthening base designed to reinforce soft or thin nails over time. This base is enriched with AHAs and PHAs and silica to help strengthen the nails and create a protective shield against daily wear. It also helps extend the wear time of your manicure. I apply a thin layer, making sure to cap the free edges. When I'm applying the Manucurist Green System, meaning the base coat, color and the top coat together, I usually apply the products on both hands so each layer has enough time to dry, usually about 1 to 2 minutes. When I'm filming, I do one hand first and then the other, because it's easier to avoid ruining the manicure. Now it's time for color. I chose Tangerine because it gives me beautiful spring and summer vibes. I apply the first thin layer, again making sure to cap the edges. I like to take a slightly larger amount of product and distribute it evenly in a thin layer on the nail. Just wipe one side of the brush and keep the right amount of product at the tip. This helps create a smooth, even application. Then I apply the second layer. Be careful not to apply the layers too thick. I usually clean the edges while the polish is still fresh, but don't worry, at the end you can always use a nail corrector pen to perfect the shape. After the color, it's time for the top coat. Before applying it, I suggest letting the color dry for about 5 minutes so the top coat doesn't disturb the color underneath. With the top coat, I take enough product to cover the entire nail and again cap the edges to lock everything in. The top coat helps the manicure last longer and gives a beautiful glossy shine. For the final step, I apply drying drops on each nail right after the top coat. I usually apply 2 drops on each nail, then gently tilt my finger to make sure the drops cover the entire surface. These drops speed up the drying time and are enriched with ceramides that nourish both the nails and cuticles. You don't need to rub the product after applying them. They work like a cuticle oil, but also help the polish dry faster. After all these steps, I wait about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the nails are fully dry. There are several layers in this manicure, so giving it time to dry properly makes a big difference for a smooth and long-lasting result. At the end, I apply hand cream. I really love Manucurist hand creams. They have a very lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving the hands soft and hydrated without feeling greasy or sticky. And voila, my manicure is complete. I'm honestly obsessed with this system. It gives a beautiful gel-like finish without needing a lamp, and it air dries, which makes it very practical and easy to use. The brand says it lasts up to 7 days, but on my nails it often lasts 9 to 12 days, which is amazing. And here is the final result, guys. Beautiful, classic nails with a glossy finish that looks like a salon manicure, but done completely at home in just 10 to 15 minutes without a lamp. If you want to recreate this look or try the Manicurist Green System, you can get 15% off automatically at Manicurist US and UK when shopping through my links below. No code needed. Everything I used in this video is linked in the description. Just add your favorites to your basket and the discount will apply automatically at checkout. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you tried the Green System or if you'd like to try it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!